In ancient Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar demanded worship of a golden idol, sparking a confrontation with three faithful men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Defiant, they refused to bow down, proclaiming that their God could save them from the fiery furnace. Angered by their disobedience, the king ordered the furnace heated 7 times hotter and commanded their execution. As the flames raged, the men were thrown in, bound and unarmed. Miraculously, they remained unharmed, walking freely in the fire alongside a mysterious fourth figure. Witnessing this, Nebuchadnezzar acknowledged their God's power, commanding all to honor him. Their faith under pressure became a symbol of divine deliverance.